Hello everyone. I hope you all are well and also doing so well. In this video today I am going to show you about not a new thing and not a old thing actually. This is one of the part of Adobe, and how can you get it free? And it is free for our student or teacher, and they gave us a 1 year license, and this is Substance 3D. This one is the today's our topic. We are going to talking about this one. This is Substance 3D design software, and Adobe Substance 3D actually. And this is the software Adobe Substance 3D. This is actually free for student and the teacher. They give us license as a student or teacher. So how can you get it for free? In this video I'm going to talking about this one and how to you get it free. I will show you, and let's start. And don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and if you don't have any email, you can buy from us. We provide email in cheap rate. Hopefully this service will be helpful for you guys. And let's start this video. First of all, you need to search Substance 3D for students and teachers. Simply searching. After searching, you will get the page Education Substance 3D. This is one of the part of actually our Adobe. So simply you need to click here in this option or website. We need to wait a little for browsing actually. So here they already telling us start your 3D journey with free Substance 3D for students and teacher license. Now we need to go down. You'll need an Adobe account to get your redeem code and access Substance 3D apps. Already have an account, so we need actually an Adobe account for taking this one. According to our previous video, we have already an account, so we simply will take the account. Simply we're going to search Adobe. We go in, we will got our account actually. The account of our this one, this is our account email. We are going to copy it. Simply after copying, we have account, so simply we need to paste it here, then United States, then we need to submit. So they will give us email actually. They already sent us the email of verification. Let's Adobe partner offer you Substance 3D product code, and this is the code of our Substance 3D for getting free for students and teachers. So simply we need to copy this code actually. After copying this, you need to go back, then you need to enter your redeemed code actually. Simply after getting in this, they will want a code. Now we need to put the code here, and that is the code we got from this message actually, and that's the message. From here we got the code. maybe we did wrong actually. We need to cut all this thing and copy again, then paste. If we paste wrong code, they will not give us our offer actually. So I think this is a very big code. Which one actually code? I think this one is actual code. Now paste it. Maybe we did it again. Let's try it again. We need to find out the real code for this one. We are doing, sorry for doing that actually. We are doing, I think we need to click here for this. You see, it is easy to verify than getting the code. I think this one is correct. Then we need to copy this code actually. Simply then paste the code, then continue. And here we need to put the birth date. Here we are going to user type, select the student. Then here we need to put our email address. I am going to put my email. You can put your email or Gmail actually. And continue. And here you need to put the information of this thing: country, United States, school type, higher education, state, Alaska, school, university of this one, then continue. And again, country, United States, address line. Is this important? I think not. I agree. We need to put the information, so we'll go for the app. Now you can get the addresses for free. You can use them. State, this is Alaska. State and region we need to put here. We will put the city from there. we need to connect the VPN. Without connecting VPN, maybe this will be getting problem. Now search Alaska. Type the city, simply here postal code, taking from here the postal code, and this is California. I can choose anything from here. I am going to choose game design, anything, gender, male, type of institution, public or private, you can choose anything, tell us. Good, and verify. They need our school information, and what is this? Simply click here. So everything done, I think. So thank you for submitting verification request. To avoid delay, adjust your email filter to allow delivery from there. Check the status for it. Request and click here to submit another. After here we seeing that we are successfully actually submit the application for taking this Adobe 3D Substance for free, and maybe they gave us they need some time to complete our verification request. They actually want the verification document, so we need to actually put our I think we need to again put the email address here. They need our documents, I think, so I need to put in documents here, I think. So we have done one of our documents for our this one. I think we need a transcript for our so I think okay. Kiwi. jpg. So here we are doing our this work for HTML to JPG, because the website actually accept only JPG, so we are going to convert HTML to JPG. So simply we will select our this transcript. Here the transcript, I need to open it. So you need to click here convert. Maybe it's converted done, so simply download it. There's the download. So after downloading it, now we need to go there and find out the JPG, and that is our JPG file. Thank you. And then it should be done. Thank you, we have received your document. Please allow our team up to 24 hours to review your documentation. They will review your document and provide us the access of Adobe. Successfully we have received, they received actually our verification request, and currently processing your information. Maybe in 24 hours to 48 hours they will give us the access of 3D Adobe Substance 3D for 12 months for free. And that's it. I hope this video is very helpful for you guys, and pray for us and stay with us. Like, subscribe and also share.